Do you have a dope lead magnet that you know needs to get into the hands of those who need it most? Well, today I'm going to talk about 7 different ways that you can share your lead magnet and get your next paid client now. The first way is that you could go live on Facebook or Instagram and share all about it. The second way is you can make a static post on Facebook or Instagram and share why people need to snag it fast. The third strategy is to share it on Pinterest. The fourth strategy is to make a YouTube video, talk about the benefits, and then promote it at the end and put it in the description box. The fifth way is to make a blog post where you talk all about what your lead magnet leads to, why people want to grab it, and the benefit for them. And then you can share it at the end of the blog or even throughout the blog, so it makes it a no-brainer for them to click. The sixth way is to record a podcast episode or become a guest feature on someone else's podcast where you share all about it. The final strategy that I always use when I have a new lead magnet is to add a pop-up to my website. This means that every time someone comes to my website, they can't help but to see it. It's front and center and they want to click. Again, if you know that your lead magnet is super amazing and there's people around the world that need it, it's your job to get it into their hands. So now that you have some ideas, I challenge you to consider in what ways can you become creative so that you can get it into the hands of those who need it most.